modern periodic table or long form of periodic table. Let us study this periodic table blockwise, and we will be dealing mainly with the general electronic configurations of the groups, so that if we know that general electronic configuration, we can find out the configuration of any particular element which is belonging to that group. Let us start with the first block, which is S block, which is lying on the extreme left hand side, and it has two groups because S suborbit can accommodate 2 electrons. It has group number 1 and 2. Now group 1 includes lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium, whereas group 2 includes beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. Now what is most important to note is that the general electronic configuration, of S block is NS122. This NS122, that it means what? The group 1 elements will be having NS1 and group 2 elements will be having NS2 configuration. How to use this configuration? Suppose we want to know the configuration, valence configuration of the strontium. Now we know strontium is in group 2, so it will be having 2 electrons, and since it is belonging to your 5th period, it will be 5s2. So here N is your this period number, which is your orbit number, and your S is your suborbit definitely to which the electrons are belonging, and how many are there in the valence electrons is 2. So this is the advantage of knowing the general electronic configuration. So of the whole block is NS1 and NS2. General electronic configuration of group 1 elements is NS1 and of 2 is NS2. Another important thing is the general name. Group 1 elements are called alkalis and group 2 elements are called in general alkaline earth metals. In these 6 and 6, 12 elements, this francium and radium are radioactive, whereas all rest of these are metals, very reactive metals, and we will study their more physical and general other properties later on when we especially dealing with the S block chapter separately in the inorganic chemistry.